Alfa Romeo, one of the most iconic car brands in the world. If you've ever dreamed of owning one, you've probably heard all kinds of opinions. Some say they're unreliable, while others swear by their performance and charm. But what's the truth? Are they worth the investment? Based on my personal experience, I'll break down everything you need to know about owning an Alfa Romeo. From the best models to the major pitfalls, this is your ultimate guide. Top Alfa Romeo models to consider. If you're in the market for an Alfa Romeo, these are some of the best options to look at. Alfa 159, a solid choice with great design and engineering. Alfa 156, one of the best classic models, offering both style and reliability. Alfa 4C, a stunning sports car for those who want performance and uniqueness. Giulia, a modern Alfa with German-level build quality and thrilling driving dynamics. Stelvio, a high-performance SUV that brings Italian flair to the segment. The newer the Alfa, the better the engineering. If you're looking for the best balance of reliability and fun, the last-generation Alfa 156 or the Alfa 159 are excellent choices. Newer models have also improved significantly. The reliability factor. One of the biggest concerns about Alfa Romeos is reliability. The real turning point came in 2006. After this year, Alfa Romeo improved its build quality and electronics to near German levels. While small issues may arise, they're rarely catastrophic. Regular servicing will keep these cars running smoothly. Engineering and maintenance. Contrary to popular belief, modern Alfa Romeos are not overly complex to maintain. If you're comfortable with standard tools like sockets, spanners, and Allen keys, basic maintenance isn't too challenging. Here's what you need to know. Routine maintenance. Oil changes, brake pad replacements, and fluid top-ups are straightforward. Common issues. Some minor quirks exist, such as sensitive brake light circuits and occasional fuel gauge errors. However, these can be easily managed. Cooling system maintenance. Using K-Seal treatment annually helps prevent head gasket damage. Oil additives. Using MBL8 molybdenum copper additive every third oil change keeps the engine running smoothly. Major pitfalls to avoid. 1. Never buy an Alfa with Celespeed transmission. This is the single most important rule. The Celespeed automated manual transmission is notorious for its high failure rate and insanely expensive repairs. Even though it's based on Ferrari's system, it doesn't hold up well in an Alfa. If you're buying an Alfa, get a manual transmission. It's the best way to enjoy the driving experience and avoid costly issues. 2. Owning an Alfa requires care and attention. Unlike a Toyota or Honda, an Alfa Romeo demands regular checkups. Owning one means checking the oil and coolant levels frequently, inspecting for minor issues and addressing them early, cleaning and maintaining it regularly to keep it in top shape. If you're willing to stay on top of maintenance, an Alfa Romeo can be surprisingly affordable and reliable. Thanks to online communities, you can always find guidance and solutions for any problems. 3rd, timing belt changes on V6 models. One of the most crucial maintenance tasks for V6 Alfa Romeos is the cam belt replacement. This needs to be done every 100,000 kilometers, but it's a necessary investment to keep the engine running properly. In New Zealand, this costs around $1,200, but you can often find better deals. If you're looking for a lower maintenance option, the Alfa 159 2.2-liter engine is a great choice. It has a cam chain instead of a cam bolt, meaning less frequent servicing, usually every 250,000 kilometers. Why Alfa Romeos are special. To truly appreciate Alfa Romeo, you need to understand its heritage. The brand is a contemporary of Mercedes-Benz, Ferrari, Bentley, and Rolls-Royce. However, unlike these luxury brands, Alfa Romeo offers affordable high-performance cars. The Mito and Giulietta provide a luxury experience at a reasonable price. The Giulia Quadrifoglio is essentially a Ferrari-powered sports sedan. The Stelvio SUV, while not my personal favorite, competes with high-end European SUVs. Alfa Romeos are also rare. Most models are not mass-produced, making them unique compared to mainstream cars. They offer luxury, style, and performance at a fraction of the cost of their German counterparts. So, is owning an Alfa Romeo worth it? Absolutely, if you know what you're getting into. If you're passionate about cars and willing to put in a little effort, an Alfa Romeo can be one of the most rewarding vehicles to own. If you found this video informative, then don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in our next video.
Have you ever wondered what makes a Chevy engine stand out from the rest? Well, today, we're diving into the heart of Chevrolet's engineering excellence to uncover the 10 most reliable Chevy engines ever built. From roaring powerhouses to enduring workhorses, Chevy has produced engines that have left an indelible mark on automotive history. So, without further ado, let's begin. Number 10. Chevrolet 7.0-liter Corvette C6R engine. Kicking off our countdown is the formidable Chevrolet 7.0-liter Corvette C6R engine. Picture this, the roar of the Corvette racing C6R as it dominates the track, securing 39 wins in the GT1 class and a slew of championships. Under its hood lies the LS7 engine, a powerhouse capable of revving up to 8,000 RPM and churning out over 800 horsepower. Built for the rigors of racing, the LS7 engine epitomizes reliability and raw performance, making it a true legend in Chevy's lineup. Number 9. Chevrolet LS7 engine. Next up, we have the renowned Chevrolet LS7 engine, a true icon in the automotive world. Born from the success of the Corvette racing C6R, the LS7 engine boasts a legacy of power and precision. With its origins tracing back to the legendary small-block V8 engines, the LS7 has cemented its place in history. Whether propelling the Corvette Z06 or the Camaro Z28, this engine delivers a thrilling ride backed by unwavering reliability. Number 8. Chevrolet LT1 engine. Chevrolet LT1 engine is a true testament to Chevy's engineering prowess. Packing a punch with its 5.7-liter displacement, the LT1 engine is a force to be reckoned with on the road. With a reputation for longevity and performance, it's no wonder that owners rave about its reliability, with some surpassing the 150,000-mile mark with ease. From Camaros to Corvettes, the LT1 engine continues to impress, earning its spot among Chevy's most reliable power plants. Number 7. Chevrolet LT5 engine. Breaking away from tradition, Chevy introduced the LT5 engine to power the iconic Corvette ZR1. Collaborating with Lotus, GM crafted an engine known for its exceptional reliability and endurance. Surpassing the 150,000-mile milestone was a breeze for the Corvette ZR1, thanks to the robust performance of the LT5 engine. Number 6. Chevrolet L78 396 turbojet engine. As we delve deeper into Chevy's storied past, we uncover the mighty Chevrolet L78 396 turbojet engine. Born during the golden age of muscle cars, the L78 engine embodies power and resilience. Despite the onset of the malaise era, this behemoth of an engine remained a stalwart performer, pushing boundaries with its relentless power delivery. Number 5. Chevrolet 265 V8 engine. Chevrolet 265 V8 engine is a true trailblazer in automotive history. Revolutionizing the industry in 1955, this small-block V8 engine paved the way for future innovations. Adaptable and enduring, the 265 V8 engine remains a cornerstone of Chevy's legacy, its design evolving to meet the demands of modern motoring. Number 4. Chevrolet 5.3-liter V8 Vortec LMG engine. Fast forward to the 21st century, and we find the Chevrolet 5.3-liter V8 Vortec LMG engine powering Chevy's full-size SUVs with aplomb. Part of the revered small-block family, this engine has earned a reputation for reliability that knows no bounds. From the Suburban to the Tahoe, the 5.3 Vortec V8 engine delivers unwavering performance, easily traversing the 200,000-mile mark and beyond with proper care. Number 3. Chevrolet 409 V8 engine. Now, let's shine a spotlight on the Chevrolet 409 V8 engine, a true gem of Chevy's lineup. Renowned for its durability, the 409 V8 engine has stood the test of time, proving its mettle on both the road and the track. Despite its occasional quirks, this powerhouse of an engine continues to command respect, especially among enthusiasts seeking to breathe new life into classic rides. Number 2. Chevrolet 302 Small Block Engine. Turning our attention to the legendary Chevrolet 302 small block engine, we find a true titan of performance and reliability. With a rich history in road and drag racing, the Chevy 302 has left an indelible mark on motorsport. Born out of fierce competition with Ford's Mustang, this engine embodies the spirit of innovation and ingenuity that defines Chevy's legacy. Number 1. Chevrolet LS9 LSA engine. And finally, we arrive at the pinnacle of Chevy's engineering excellence, the Chevrolet LS9 LSA engine. Renowned for its unparalleled power and dependability, the LS9 engine is a marvel of modern engineering. With its supercharged prowess, this V8 powerhouse propels the GM Corvette to new heights of performance. A true masterpiece of automotive engineering, the LS9 engine cements Chevy's reputation as a leader in the pursuit of automotive excellence. Well, that's it for today's video. What do you think about these engines? Let us know in the comments section down below. And don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button for more amazing content. Thanks for watching.